So sadly, a lot of animals today are struggling because of improper waste management and pollution. So always keep in mind to reduce waste, reuse plastics, and recycle everything we can. So see if Bandit can do it, then so can we. Now before I end the show, I would like to invite everyone to come down here on stage and take photos with our lovely birds. So you have a chance to hold our birds and take pictures with them. But pictures will only be taken by our official photographer right over there. Now ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of our bird show. Now I would like to acknowledge all the birds and trainers that made this show possible. We have Trainer Jericho up there as our DJ. We have Trainer Piolo with Bandit, and Trainer Catherine with Meeting. And along with other staff here in Cebu Ocean Park, I am Mary, your host for today. So thank you for watching and goodbye!